Students, we did a lot of work about plants and I find it interesting, so let's continue with studying the uses of plants. We know we are farmers, we know how useful plants are, we grow them to eat them, we make many things from them, we get fruits, leaves, stems, even roots we eat, grains of course, and seeds. We also get wood from plants. Shall we read together? Plants have many uses. Plants make a garden look beautiful. Small birds and animals make their homes in plants. They also find their food in plants. We use plants too. We use the flowers and the leaves from plants as decorations and at special times. Plants give us food. I believe that's one of the most important uses. Before we can decorate, we need to be eating. We eat the fruit, apples, pears, oranges. We eat the nuts, almonds, walnuts, and berries, cranberries, blueberries, strawberries, which grow on some plants. We also eat the roots, stems, leaves, and seeds of some plants. We seem to be very, very hungry. Look, cabbage, lettuce, spinach. We eat the leaves of these plants. Here are some roots. I'm sure you have definitely eaten carrots. Beetroot is very red. And a turnip, it's kind of spicy tasting. Fruits and nuts. Here are some delicious fruits and nuts. A walnut, a mango, and a banana. What about seeds? Look at the peas and the beans. We eat the seeds of these plants. And grains like wheat and rice, we eat them too. What about stems? We eat the sugarcane stem. Sometimes we eat it just like that, but we use it to make sugar. Celery, it's another crunchy little plant. I haven't seen it so often here, but it's quite delicious to eat raw. Plants also give us fibers. They seem to give us everything. Fibers are thin threads. With cotton fibers, we make thread and cloth. We wear clothes made of plants. With jute fiber, another kind of plant, we make sacks, mats, bags, and rope. Here's a sack, a big bag. A mat, a doormat, often is made of this rough rope-like fiber that comes from the jute plant. And we all know we live close to the forest. We know that we get wood from trees. And we make so many things with wood. Take a look. Furniture, ladders, hammers, benches, blocks, barrels, stools, carts, instruments. And you and I also know we burn this wood to cook. We still do it. We build many things with wood. We build homes with wood. This very house, your school is made, it is made of wood. Bridges, stages, boats, decks, sheds. These are all things that are made of wood. What other things do we get from plants? Let me show you a picture. Here's a henna plant. It's also called mehendi in Hindi. We get red dye from henna plants. What about this plant? I bet you love it. It's the cocoa bean, the cocoa plant, because it gives us chocolate. The rubber plant is used to make tires and racers. Then we have this coconut tree for coconut oil, and we use it for soap as well. We make drinks from lemons and also the buranj flower. We make perfumes from plants. We make this delicious drink from tea leaves and coffee beans. And of course, when a plant leaves and pieces of wood and branches die, they make manure. What is manure? It is dead living plant matter, pieces of plants, that after a little bit they become all soft and you can put them onto fields and they help crops to grow better. Plants also give us medicine. That's very important. You can say medicine or you can say medicine. The neem plant, the tulsi plant, we use them a lot. And there are many other plants that are used for medicines. There's a little fact here that's written here. Let's read it together. Did you know that this book is made of paper, but paper is made from wood? When you take wood and make it into a pulp is when you add water till it becomes squishy, half liquid, half solid, not hard, not fully soft. This pulp is then turned into paper. So you have to be careful with paper because you've cut down trees to make it. Now I have read the lesson and shown you some of these very new and interesting for me pictures. Look here, we can use plants to make oil for cooking as well. So look at this video again and then I'm going to send you the worksheets that you can do in your notebooks.